If you're trying to set up or use a PIN on your Windows 10 or 11 device and you're getting the error code 0x80280013, don't worry, you're definitely not alone, and we are going to fix it step by step. This issue usually pops up when there is a problem with the TPM Trusted Platform module or the way Windows handles sign-in credentials. The error can stop you from setting up a new PIN using your current PIN or changing it, but in most cases it can be fixed without too much hassle. First, let's try the simplest solution, restarting your device. I know it sounds basic, but a reboot can reset some of the security services behind the scenes. After your system boots back up, try setting the PIN again through Settings, then Accounts, then Sign-in Options. If it still doesn't work and the same error code appears, no worries, we're moving to deeper fixes. Now let's check if the TPM is working correctly. Press the Windows key and the letter R, type tpm.msc and hit Enter. This opens the Trusted Platform Module Management screen. Look for a message that says TPM is ready for use. If you see something else like TPM not found or TPM is not ready, then the problem is likely related to your system firmware or BIOS settings. In that case, you will need to restart and go into your BIOS or UEFI settings. Usually you press Delete, F2, or Escape when the computer starts, depending on your brand. Inside BIOS, locate the Security or Advanced section and make sure TPM or Intel Platform Trust technology is enabled. Save changes, exit BIOS, and boot back into Windows. Once you're back, open tpm.msc again to see if the TPM is now active. If yes, go ahead and try setting your PIN again. Now we will take a look at the NGC folder. This is where Windows stores your PIN settings. We're going to delete the NGC folder to force Windows to reset the PIN system. Open File Explorer and navigate to this path: C Drive, Windows, Service Profiles, Local Service App Data, Local Microsoft NGC. If you don't see the App Data folder, you may need to enable Show Hidden Files from the View tab. Once you have deleted the contents, restart your computer and try setting up a PIN again through Settings, Accounts, and Sign-in Options. If it works, you're good to go. If not, don't give up. We still have a couple more methods. Now we will use PowerShell to reset the PIN component completely. Right-click the Start button and choose Windows Terminal Admin or PowerShell Admin. Then paste this command: get-app-x package Microsoft.accounts control pipe reset-app-x package and hit Enter. This will reset the Windows sign-in interface and fix corruption that's causing the error. Give it a moment, then reboot your system once more and try the PIN setup. Still stuck? Let's now make sure all necessary services are actually running. Right-click each one, start them if they are stopped, and make sure the startup type is set to automatic. Once all these are active, give your computer another restart and then try setting up the PIN again. By now, if nothing has worked, you're probably dealing with a corrupted user profile. You can try creating a new user account to test if the PIN setup works there. Open Settings, go to Accounts, then Family and Other Users, and click Add Account. Choose I don't have this person's sign-in info, then add a user without a Microsoft account. Create a username and password, then log into that new account and see if you can set up a PIN there. If the new account works fine, you will know the issue is tied to your old user profile, and you might want to migrate your data to the new one. Hopefully, one of the earlier steps solved the error for you without needing to switch accounts. This issue can be frustrating, but once you get to the root of it, TPM services or the NGC folder, it's totally fixable. If this guide helped, drop a like so others can find it too, and consider subscribing for more easy fix-it tutorials like this one. And if you have any questions or your system is acting differently from what I described, let me know in the comments and I will try to help. Thanks so much for watching. Good luck fixing the pin error, and I will see you in the next one.